Hello guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. And welcome po sa another video. Shoutout po kay Boss Ryan ng Zamboanga del Sur. Unit mo boss, ENC Glock 17 Terran Tactical Innovations, ENC brand. Ayan boss. Combat Master. Ayan, may mga langis-langis pa siya boss. Ayan. Gen 3. Ayan, Gen 3 po. Ayan. Ayan, sight. Nalalagyan po siya ng flashlight. Nalalagyan din siya ng tracer units kasi may thread yan. Magazine niya ay 24 rounder capacity. Tapos, ang kasama nito, boss, ay green gas, number 12, standard power, boss. And bala, boss, .25, 3,000 shots, boss. Tingnan pa natin yung mga kasama sa box. Baka meron pang kasama. Owner's manual. Silica gel. Wala yan. Yun lang. Okay. Yun lang boss ang kasama. Unit. Tapos gas. Bala. .25. Okay. So ayan boss. Terran Tactical Innovation Gen 3 Glock. Yan, Combat Master markings. ENC brand. Ang ENC po ay China brand po, boss. Yan, China brand po yan. Okay, ang WE, Taiwan. WE, marami yan eh. KG-Works, PWC, EW Custom, marami. ENC Double Bell is a China brand. Okay? So, lagyan natin ng gas. 12, number 12 gamit natin. Testing lang. Tignan natin kung ilang EPS. Bala. Okay. Testing. Glock 17 John Wick or Terran Tactical Innovations ENC brand. Okay, tingnan natin kung ilang ano. Kung gaano kabilis yung kanyang projectile speed, yung kanyang velocity. Okay? Firing. 317.1. 0.10. 317.10. First shot. Second shot. 307.9. Third shot. 306.6. Fourth shot. 305.6. And last shot. 304.3. Yan. And open slide. Yan, open slide na po. Okay. Open slide, wala na po siyang bala. Release nyo lang magazine, boss. Tapos, hatak mo lang yung slide. Hatak mo lang slide, release. Compatible din po siya sa magazine ng WE. Yung Taiwan. Ayan. Ayan, boss. Glock 17. Gen 3. TTI. Okay, shoot pa tayo. Lagyan pa natin bala. Ilan na lang tong ENC Glock 17? Siya na lang? Last na to? Last stock, boss. Buti nakahabol ka pa, boss. Last stock. Glock 17 Taran Tactical Innovation by ENC. Isa na lang to. Okay. Testing. Boss Ryan, testing. Glock 17 Taran Tactical Innovation by ENC. Yan. Markings. Combat Master. Okay. Tamaan ba natin to? Firing. Oh, tinamaan pa. Sapol. Ganda rin. Okay, release the magazine. Open slide. Open slide. Release the magazine. Tapos hatak mo lang yan. Okay, Boss Ryan, okay na po. Unit nyo, boss. Glock 17 TTI by ENC. Combat Master. Yan. Kung may question po, message lang sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you, boss, and have a nice day.